Hi everyone. For those who have followed me on Instagram and Twitter, you already know that I lost my cat last night. Lucky. He died. He came in my room like he does every night, like our little ritual. I'll get ready for bed, and he jumped on my bed, and he was fine, like normal. He does his rolling around, and then all of a sudden, I heard like a meow if he was in pain, and I looked over and I was like, "What's wrong?" And he was laying on his side, like if he was having, he was dying. And I saw his body. His body was like having a seizure or something. He was in so much pain because then I saw him biting himself and meowing really loud, and his legs wouldn't stop moving. And then he wet himself. I felt like I couldn't do anything to help him. So I ran and I told my mom. She thought I was messing around. And then I came back to my room. There was a pile of drool. And his eyes frozen open. I ran to my mom and I told her that Lucky's dead. And I fell to my knees and I cried. Because Lucky's gone. And he was just laying there. And I came back. And I was hoping that when I came back in my room, that he wouldn't be laying there anymore. But he was just there. He was perfectly fine earlier in the day. He's just sleeping and doing his regular routine. And I just don't know. And today we have to put him in the ground. I didn't realize how much I truly loved him until last night. And I'll never know how it feels to hold him again. It was the hardest night for me to sleep. I don't even think I went to bed until like 5. And I kept on laying in there, staring at the ceiling, thinking that he's calling for me, like he needed me or something. And so I would always get up and feel like he was there. I feel like I could hear him meow, and I couldn't sleep because I also felt like I heard his nails on the wooden floors, and they would make like a little click clack down the floor. I was like, here comes Lucky, but Lucky's not here anymore. Death sucks. I didn't realize how real it is until it happens to you. And it just sucks that yesterday was his last moments, and I don't even know. I'm just happy that I posted a video a while ago him and I. So I'll leave that in the bottom if you wanted to see him. And just, I don't know. I'll just see you guys later. And I hope everyone else has a better day than I'm having. And take care of the ones you love. And there can never be too many hugs and kisses. And I just wish you all the best. So, goodbye.